Ladies and gentlemen, it has happened. After nearly 20 years of being together, Nyjah Huston and Element Skateboards have decided to part ways. And what has happened in the aftermath of this kind of, changing of the guard? Well, there has been a birth. A new skateboard brand has emerged. Nyjah Huston's very own Disorder Skateboards. I got one. We're gonna unbox it. Let's go. Yo, what's going on everyone? My name is Dez360 and welcome to Flipping Boards. Yes, the channel where we show you how to buy, sell, trade, and collect your favorite skateboards and your favorite cardboards, aka trading cards. Look guys, today we're just gonna get right into it. I'm so hyped for this. We are gonna unbox a skateboard that could change the way, it could change the whole game. This board could change the whole game of skateboarding. Why? Why is it that? And I'm not even talking about from a flipping perspective. I'm just talking about skateboarders being able to create their own brands, put out their own stuff, build their own teams, and do it all from the ground up. Yes, today we are going to unbox a legendary Nyjah Huston skateboard. His first skateboard for Disorder Skateboards, his brand. Yes, so this board is fire. It's a collector's item. We're gonna get into it, but at the same time, obviously this board has value and can be sold for more. They retailed at $100. Was it $100? No, I think it was. How much did I pay? Retail was 70. I think retail was 70 bucks. I'm tripping. How much was retail? How much was retail?
1 hour later.
Upon further review, ladies and gentlemen, yes, retail was $70, and after taxes and fees and whatnot, 85 bucks. So $85, and apparently one on eBay already sold for at least, well, 400 or best offer. So there's definitely flip value here. But me, I am a skateboarding fan. I'm a skateboarding collector, and something this cool, sorry, but I'm keeping it. So let's get right into it. Look, if you don't know what flipping means, it just means buying something for a price, selling it for hopefully a higher price, making some profit, some margins in between, and then continuing that cycle. That basic, that simple. Obviously there's more to it, but if you can grasp that concept, you can make money. Extra hundreds of dollars. You can make extra hundreds of dollars. You can make extra thousands of dollars. It's just up to you. So let's get right into it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Flipping Boards, Nyjah Huston, Disorder Skateboards. Okay, like I said, I'm super hyped for this unboxing. Literally, I got that email and I was like, ooh, it's been delivered. So as soon as I got home, I was like, all right, let's go. But as I mentioned, this dropped last week. If you got your hands on a Nyjah Huston board, I know the first 100 were autographed. I don't know if I got in that first 100, but it doesn't matter. It's still a piece of history, still fire. Disorder Skateboards, there will be a couple more drops. And here's the thing, let's just be honest. Disorder Skateboards, right? If this is the next best thing since sliced bread, great, it takes off, you got a piece of history. If it doesn't pop off for whatever reason, and Nyjah's company doesn't take off, which I find that hard to believe, well then guess what? You still get a part of history. That's why like certain investments, if you're looking at this from an investor standpoint, like this board is totally worth buying, because you're really not gonna lose money. If anything, you have a valuable item, the first to ever come out. So if it does great, you had the first board, and if it doesn't do great, you have the boards that actually dropped, the limited edition. So let's go. Shouts out to Nyjah Huston. This takes balls, man. Woo! Wowzers. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have Apocalypse in 3, 2, 1. Bam! 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 Wow, the first ever Nyjah Huston Disorder Skateboards. Technically, this isn't Nyjah, like his name's not on it, but obviously it's his brand. The first ever Disorder skateboard to go out into the public. The Apocalypse skateboard right there. Got your Disorder logo there. You got your beautiful skull. Nyjah loves his skulls. You got the little shadowy graphic here. And then of course you have that brand new symbol, the Disorder skateboard symbol. Super fire. I grabbed an 8.5. Obviously No autograph. I think I got like 150. Order number 150 or 161, and there were like the first 100 got it. But it's all chilling. I'm gonna run into Nyjah in person and I'll get it signed. And then you got this. Check it out. Got that purple though. And cool. He threw in a little disorder thing about us. Obviously, you know what? I'm probably gonna skate one of these because I want to do the full review on how they skate. And then what else we got in here? Disorder, the logo right there, etched in the board. That's fire. And a sticker. So this is hype. This is super hype. What do you guys think off initial view? Initial view, just looking at it, super hype. I like it. All right, you guys, so that's it. Literally super hyped. If you got a Nyjah Disorder skateboard, drop a comment. I want to know who out there got it. If you didn't get it, are you gonna get in on the next drop? And shouts out. What do you guys think about Disorder skateboards? I think so far the confirmed skaters, Nyjah Huston, of course, Dominic Walker, his Element homeboy as well. And yeah, I'm digging this board. I actually do want to skate it. I want to see what is it about, like, you know. And I think that's good feedback to give Nyjah and be like, hey, I skated the board, this is what I think. But off the rip, that's fuego. I'm hyped. So, and then there's resale value. So the whole art of flipping, buy it for 85, you know, you could probably sell it for 150. You know, that's just a number out the gates. I don't know what the going value will be. It'll settle. Like, if you start seeing people, everyone's listing it for like 200, then there it is. And if you get that auto, that's instant value too. But end of the day, guys, I'm super hyped. Thanks for tuning in. Flipping boards. We got more episodes coming. We got a bunch of boards. We're just going to keep on growing, keep on going. And thanks for tuning in again. So see y'all later. Peace.